when someone makes a recipe really good in our family, I guarantee you it's the best, because they just perfect their recipes that they're good at. And that's what it looks like. And now I've got some almonds and pistachios. I've done 200 grams of each. Okay, so that's what they look like right now. I'm only gonna chop it for 2 seconds. Look at it. It's just perfect for making the, coating for the biscuits. They look the outside. That's why it's really, really important to get a beautiful coating, because that's what the presentation of your biscuit is. Now, I'm adding some butter. So now I'm just gonna add in the cream, the eggs. So 190 grams of cream, just pure cream. Then I use 2 eggs, 160 grams of brown sugar, and 250 grams of white sugar, okay? Just pop it all in. Blend that just a little bit just to start binding it together. So 10 seconds, speed 5. So this is the brandy and the vanilla. Then I've got just a teaspoon of cinnamon. And then just mix that for 30 seconds on speed 6. I have just added 700 grams of self-raising flours, and I'm just going to blend that up a couple of times. Now you will need to stop and scrape it because it's really, really thick. So you can see it's really pushing to mix it. You can see how it is mixing, but the top is a little bit struggling. So I just push it down like this. See, just push it so it actually mixes, and you're getting the stuff off the side, because that's what's going to make it struggle. And then what you're going to do is you're going to let it sit for 20 minutes, okay? I know it's hard to sit, but clean your kitchen and put away your ingredients, and then 20 minutes will be gone.